In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Navy Federal Credit Union in 25. This guide will take you step by step through the process, making sure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. Opening a checking account online can be a convenient way to manage your finances without the need to visit a branch. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Navy Federal Credit Union website. Specifically, head over to the page dedicated to personal checking accounts. This is your starting point for initiating the process of setting up your account. Once you're on the website, look for the section that mentions opening a personal checking account. That's exactly where you need to click. This will direct you to the next part of the online application process. Now, once you're on the appropriate page, you'll see an option labeled Open Now. Clicking on this will take you to the membership application section. Keep in mind that becoming a member is a crucial step if you haven't yet joined Navy Federal Credit Union. Being a member unlocks various benefits and allows you to proceed with opening your checking account. On the membership page, you will see a button labeled Become a Member. Go ahead and click on that to continue the process. Membership is necessary to gain access to Navy Federal's full range of services, so make sure you complete this part. After you initiate the membership application, you'll notice a button that says Continue. By clicking here, you move forward to the next step where personal information is required. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter your email address. It's important to double check that you've entered the correct email to ensure you receive any further communication necessary for completing your account setup. Once you've entered your email address, you'll need to confirm it. Confirming your email ensures that the information is correct and that you are ready to proceed with the application process without any errors. Next, you'll encounter a security check, which is a standard CAPTCHA verification. You need to click on the checkbox that says, "I'm not a robot," to confirm you're a legitimate applicant. Completing this step helps protect your information by proving that you're a real person. After successfully completing the CAPTCHA, you will be prompted to click on Start. And this is the final step to kick off the detailed application process for your new checking account with Navy Federal. Follow the instructions provided on their site to finalize your application. And there you have it, the steps to open a checking account with Navy Federal Credit Union online. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to managing your finances easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and remember to reach out to Navy Federal support if you have any specific questions during the process. Good luck with your new account.